This is the most powerful drill Makita make. I'm going to put it to an extreme test in my electric bobsleigh. Don't believe me? Watch this. This was my first Makita drill. I got it 10 years ago and it's still going. I've had to change the battery, but it just works. They're built really solid. So this is part of the twin pack that I'm going to do the review on. This is the impact driver. It's got 170 Newton meters of torque. I got it with the 5 amp hour batteries, and it's got a battery indicator on the base, and you can also adjust the hardness on the top here, go through the cycles. Great. Really compact, one of the most compact impact drivers you can get. Light on the front, push the button, slide it off. Comes with a fast charger. You can charge these batteries in 45 minutes, which is the bigger 5 amp hour one. The charger does make quite a lot of noise, but apart from that, it's good because it keeps the battery cool. Lithium-ion battery, so that's the negative, it makes some noise. And this is the impact driver. It's got 115 Newton meters of torque. It is, as far as I can tell, one of the most powerful compact impact drivers you can buy. It's got a hammer drill function, and it's got 21 torque settings. It's also got a quality metal chuck, 3-jaw chuck, which goes from 1.5 mm to 13 mm. Great bit of kit, very heavy, but it's so powerful, and it's got 2 gears on the top. It seems like a fantastic purchase, so really pleased with that. Quality bit of kit, well made, lovely. And the battery, and again it's got the battery level, and you can see the level on the top as well. Really good ergonomic fit. You can get your hand right around compared to the older design, which had a chunkier handle. It's got a thicker base. Now they've slimmed down the handle so you can get a much better grip, and it's got twin lights on the front. Quality. One of the main reasons I got this brushless twin pack was because of the efficiency. The brushless is meant to run 50% longer, and being a 5 amp hour battery, that's going to give a really extended runtime. So my old Makita, this one, had a nickel cadmium 1.3 amp hour battery. So it still works now, but it runs out of life pretty quick. So I went for the upgrade. If I could get 10 years out of this, that'd be amazing. So one of the main reasons I went for Makita was because of their massive range. It's over 200 different tools you can get just by having the 5 amp hour battery. So now I've got a few of these batteries, I can extend and see all the different options I can get. They do loads of stuff in this Makita catalogue. They've got all the impact drivers, they've got a vacuum cleaner, chainsaw, circular saw, electric bike, electric jacket. Because it's the biggest range, that was my main reason for going with Makita. I've had experience with them before, their older stuff, never managed to break it, it's really high quality. Even the lower end, this is like a budget drill, but it's still going now. So these brushless ones, I can only imagine they'll be better built, and they should last a really long time, so be interested to see. And the reason I wanted to do this extreme test with the bobsleigh was this LXT range is supposed to be built for harsh environments. It's got like a completely covered PCB inside, so all the electronics are supposedly completely covered from moisture ingress. So it's built for rugged environments, and this is the most powerful drill. So I thought I would test it in the electric bobsleigh. I'm going to possibly have the impact driver alongside it, so they'll both power it up the hill, and we can get a real test for just how powerful they are in part 2 coming up. Just for a quick comparison, I'm going to do a test between the 3 drills. This is 10 years old, this one. See what it's like putting in a 100mm screw. That had no problem. That's 10 years old. That's amazing. I do this one next. No problem. obviously a lot quicker. The impact driver, which is probably my favourite for putting screws in. See how quick this is. Put it on the hardest one. Great stuff. That is so quick, and it's so small, and it's the lightest one. I'll probably use this more than anything. In the box you also get this plastic tray. Also comes with this sidebar handle, which is just massive, but it is so powerful. It is good to use because you can take your wrist off with this if you're not careful. That's it. Highly recommended. Great drill. And if you really want to see an extreme test of this drill, I'll be using it to power my electric bobsleigh. So make sure you subscribe and look out for part 2 of this series. Thanks for watching.